chocolate muffins made with a rich chocolate batter and delicious chocolate chips. Don't forget to check out my step by step and tips above. I am sure who love chocolate muffins.
Hey food lovers, welcome back Gourmet Aroma. Today I am making to the bakery style muffin, chocolate muffin with fillings. It's absolutely very delicious, soft and fluffy. So don't waste the time, let's go to look at how to make the chocolate muffin with fillings.
Preheat oven to 170 degrees Celsius and line a muffin tin with peppers. Now I chopped the walnuts. It is totally optional. If you like, you can use that. Please check the description box. I give to all the ingredients. Shift the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder into a large bowl. Whisk together and set aside. In a separate bowl, combine the eggs, vanilla, it is optional, vegetable oil, sour cream and milk, then whisk together. Now add all the dry ingredients and gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Don't overmix or your muffins will be dense. A few lumps are okay. At this stage, add your mixing. I am using chocolate chips and walnut today. Also, add a pinch of salt. Fold them in gently. scoops batter into muffin tin, filling each about 3/4 full. Use an ice cream scoop or spoon to fill the muffin cups evenly. Now bake for the 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Sprinkle the chocolate chips over the muffin tin. So ready our muffin, and I check the muffin with toothpicks. Now the muffin cooling the racks. After cooling the muffins, I do the holes every muffins in a center. Now, for an extra indulgent touch, I am filling these muffins with dulce de leche, also known as sweet milk. If you have no dulce de leche, you can use condensed milk. Use a piping bag or a small spoon to add the filling to the center of each muffins. Look at that rich creamy center. This takes our muffins to the next level. Absolutely perfect. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments section and tag me on Instagram and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipe. See you next time.